Dr. Carrie Grimes, and I'm so thrilled to be joining the Isaacs community on Friday, April 17th in Chicago for a special all-day workshop that is designed for emerging, aspiring, and current teacher leaders. In this workshop, we'll have the opportunity to investigate your leadership strengths and styles and uncover the ways in which you can capitalize on the strengths of emotional intelligence to better serve your community and live into your purpose as a teacher leader. I'm really looking forward to working together with all of our program participants. We'll have the opportunity to work both collaboratively and individually, and it's sure to be a really exciting workshop. So I hope that you'll consider joining us on Friday, April 17th in Chicago.